welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Wright Cooking Channel. Today we're going to cook red pea soup, and we're going to walk you through all of those step by step. At this moment, let us show you how we prep everything and getting ready to start. This is the peas, guy. This is the red peas.
And you would call them kidney beans.
And I'm gonna throw this water off, and I'm gonna get some fresh water and then put it in this pot.
Okay. Now those peas have been soaking overnight. It's good to soak your peas because it takes less time to cook. I'm just gonna put the peas in this pot.
Yes, guy, now that the peas is in the pot, now I'm gonna walk you through while it's cooking. This is my smoked turkey neck, which is gonna give it a good flavor.
It's been washed and cleaned. And we have the round steaks, and he's gonna add that to it.
I'm gonna cut it up. Okay, guys, this is all my seasoning. I'm gonna let everything cook down together.
And what he used in there was black pepper, he used thyme, onion powder, he used the salt-free seasoning and garlic powder and Creole seasoning.
Okay, guys, now I'm gonna turn the stove on high, and as soon as it start boil up, I'm gonna turn it down on 6, and now I'm gonna put the lid on top, and then as this is gonna cook for maybe 2 hours, because I'm not gonna pressure cook it today, and I will just walk you through the rest of the things that I'm gonna add to the red pea soup.
Right now we're getting ready to show y'all how to make dumplings we preparing the dumplings for the soup. And only thing we added in here was a teaspoon of salt to the flour.
Yes, guys, I'm gonna make you some dumpling, show you how to make dumpling. And this, you have to use the all-purpose flour, because if you use the baking flour, it's gonna bloat you up with some big dumpling, and we don't want that. So this is the all-purpose flour. Okay, let's get started. Now I already add some water, and I'm gonna add a little bit more. You have to be careful how you put your water in it.
It's just flour and water and a teaspoon of salt. And all he's doing now is just kneading it and trying to get it all incorporated together. And his hands are impeccably clean. He washed them, so we're safe.
And pick my fingernails out. Just in case you're trying it, guys, and you get it too soft, you can always add a little more flour and get it to where you want it, just like this.
See, he's just kneading it all until it get into a little ball.
Okay. Now it's ready.
Alright, that's what it look like.
And I'm gonna make you 2 dumplings out of it and just show you. It left to how big you want it. You can make some small tiny one like these, and then you just go like this.
That little one is for me because I don't like them big.
Jamaican don't like to make small dumplings. They make them big like this. Look at this one. That's the average way they would like to make them, like this. See?
He taught me how to do it as well, and I'm pretty good at it. When you have a Jamaican husband, you have to learn his way so you'll be able to cook for him. I'm a soul food cook. I'm from the South, so when he met me, that's what I was cooking. Green cornbread, neck bones.
And if you don't want them round, guys, you can do them like this. You can make them round as well. And this doesn't take long to cook. It take like, I would say 15 minutes. Even less than that.
Mm.
You can make them as little as you want, okay, or big as you need.
It's a big pot of soup.
Okay, guys, that's it. Now I'm gonna make a story on it and show you what's going on. Okay.
It's the beef and the dumplings and the red kidney beans, which my husband called these peas. but American would call it beans or kidney beans.
Okay guys, I'm gonna put some Irish potato in it and one sweet potato, and then I'll just walk you through the rest. I'm gonna make these dumplings cook a little.
Now we're gonna add our coconut milk, and this is the coconut milk that we use. All right. And this is not a whole can, this is like a half a can of coconut milk. Next we'll be adding our scallion to the pot. And we'll be adding our sweet potatoes.
This is our sweet potato. Irish.
And we'll be adding a few Irish.
Okay guys, I'm gonna
a little more seasoning to the pot, and it's all the same seasonings: the thyme, the onion powder, garlic powder, and the spicy Creole seasoning, black pepper, and a little salt. We just added it and re-seasoned the pot because everything is cooking down now, and you're gonna give it a taste. And if the seasonings is not where you want it, then you're gonna add your seasonings to your liking.
okay.
And normally you can add corn to this as well, and we would normally add corn, but today we're just doing the potatoes. Look at it.
Look at it, guys.
Full of meat. And we're gonna cover it up, and let's say how long it's gonna cook back.
We're gonna give it half an hour, 30 minutes.
Another 30 minutes, okay? We'll be back. Okay, it's time to check on our pot of soup, and let's see what's going on. Okay.
Okay guys, let me tell them. Okay guys, normally I would put a Jamaican grace cock soup in it, but because of the coronavirus, everything is on standstill because we all know that it's terrible with it. So
we didn't get a chance to go out and get our package. So we do have this lifted noodle soup, and it works the same way. It has the same chicken broth flavor, so we'll use that instead.
we just use it to give it flavor, okay? Okay, so this is what it looked like, guys. Woo. It's gonna be good.
Okay, we're just gonna cover it back up, and we're gonna let it cook.
We're just gonna let this cook for maybe 3 more minutes so that the noodle can cook, and then it's ready, guys. And then I will just dish it and let you see what it look like.
All right.
Guys, Now that the process is through, I'm just gonna dish some of the food for you and show you what it look like.
This whole process took about 2 hours. And all the meat is tender and good. Okay. Alrighty. And this is what we have here. This is our soup. It looks so delicious. This is our turkey. All of it, yeah.
Okay, guys. Let me taste it now and tell you what it tastes like. It's good.
Delicious as always.
Real good, guy. It have a taste to it because I even put some of my self-made Scotch bonnet pepper in it. And for you guys who love spicy food, you would love this food. Oh my God, look at it, guy. It's ready. And it's delicious. This is what most Jamaicans eat. That's why we are so strong.
We want to thank you guys for watching our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit your notification bell so you can be notified every time we post a video, okay? Have a good day.
Thanks, guys, for watching. And I hope you learned something from this. And stay calm and stay well. Stay away from coronavirus. And thank you again. God bless you. Have a great weekend.